This is called stressing out mule deer. It's against the law in the state of Wyoming. Here's these two dogs chasing these deer. First week of January. It's right behind a bunch of houses here in Jackson Hole. This all used to be winter range here. 20 years ago, people started building here. One buck is probably scoring the high 190s. These are Teton deer. Most of these deer either come out of the Grovant range or out of the Tetons. Really tough for them to winter here, let alone the winter with a bunch of dogs trying to chase them. One dog's a pup, I think.